Assalamu alaikum everyone, how are you? Hopefully you all will be doing well, and welcome back to my channel where today we will be making roasted spatchcock chicken. I wanted to make something savory and knew that this recipe is perfect. I've made this several times before and today I will be sharing this recipe with you guys. So without further ado, let's just get right into the video. We are going to start by using a 1200 gram skin chicken to marinate. Firstly, using my cooking scissors, I'm going to trim the excess skin. Take help from an adult if needed. Next, chop off the tail and cut off the tip of the wings. Now, we're going to pull out the spine of the chicken. So, just cut off the area right beside the spine on both sides and pull it out. Now, using your wrist, apply pressure onto the chicken's breast and break up the bone to soften up the chicken. This chicken is now ready to get marinated. I have chopped off the tip of the wings, turned the leg and thigh towards each other, and softened up the breast of the chicken. So now let's move on to the ingredients. To marinate the chicken, I have 1 teaspoon of mixed Italian herbs, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili or paprika powder, the juice of half a large lemon, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Now we are simply going to add all the spices to the lemon juice and mix it up really nicely. Start with applying a generous amount of the marinade onto the chest and underneath the skin. Then onto the leg, thigh, and the wings. Flip it to the other side and again apply it onto the back of the leg and thigh, and finally onto the back. Now using a cling wrap, cover up the chicken and let it rest at least 2 hours or overnight. Now put in some oil in a frying pan. And fry the chicken on high heat for 3 to 5 minutes until golden brown. Flip it over and again fry the other side for 3 to 5 minutes. Now bake the chicken in a preheated oven at 250 degrees Celsius for about 40 to 50 minutes. Our chicken is ready and now we will cut it up. I will start by cutting off the leg and thigh. Next, cut the breast from the middle and separate it into 2 halves. And finally, I'll separate the wings from the chest. And here is the delicious chicken we made today. You can serve it with hummus or garlic bread. Trust me guys, this is absolutely amazing. It's the perfect way to roast a whole chicken. It's so juicy and flavorful. It's so tender and perfect for weekend dinners. So I hope you guys like this video. If you guys did, please do let me know. And I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Goodbye and Allah Hafiz.